Thank you for checking out my YouTube video. As you can see, there's a lot of snow. We're in downtown Detroit right now. This is the biggest snow we've had so far in 2024. It's only January 12th, but I'm gonna take you on a little walk. It feels a lot different now that there's snow on the ground, obviously. So we'll take a walk over here. And if you like this video at the end, please give me a like. I appreciate all the likes because I am dressed warm, but it is still cold. See, when it's cold like this, it's hard to believe that, like during the summertime, there'd be people all over the place, you know? This is apartments and places to, you know, hang out. In the summertime, there'd be a lot of people out. And right now, obviously, because of the weather, there's not. So living around here, you know, you kind of get two different versions of the city. If you look down there, see all the footprints. I don't think that's a real fire. Or is it a real fire? That's a really nice restaurant right there, the Statler. I've never eaten there, but I've heard really good things. Yeah, it feels really cool. Yeah, the Statler. I believe it's a French place. Person walking their dog. It's nice down there. I'll take you across the street right here. Just kind of want to give you the view. But it's beautiful. Let me know what you think about Detroit during the winter time. And I'm going to try to not get my feet wet. I got some big boots on. Kind of cool, huh? And then like you see that light right over there, like in the background, it's like a purplish light. Over there is where the Detroit Tigers play. The actual Tigers and the Lions play over there. And the Lions are doing really good this year. That'd be amazing if they won the Super Bowl. This city would go crazy. I'm gonna do a YouTube video about it so you can see. People live all the way up there. Most of these places are open though. The restaurants and bars. You know, it'd just be not as many people. You got the Opera House over here. You got Fox 2. You got all this over here. See right in there. You can ride the Detroit People Mover. It'll take you around the city. This is David Whitney Aloft Hotel. That's gonna be opening soon. This is like the main street, I believe. Like for me, Woodward right here is one of the main streets in Detroit. Everybody knows about it. It is cold. This is, I believe, a blizzard. More than just a storm. We'll take a little walk, maybe a block or two. That big building right there, that's the Hudson building. They're building that. I believe it's going to be another 2 years or so before that's done. But that's going to be the second biggest building in Detroit. And they've been working on that thing for a while. You can see how nice it is up there. But you know, you got a club right over there, a couple restaurants over here, a couple clothing stores. That's what this is all about. Oh, that looks nice. Oh. Let me warm up for about 15 seconds. Check out some of the artwork up here. Detroit's really known for that. We got some beautiful buildings in this city. Like the interior of some of these buildings around here is amazing. Yeah, you got clothing stores, just a little bit of everything around here. I'm trying to decide if I want to go up one more block. LinkedIn. The more I move, the warmer I get. We'll keep this about maybe a 10-12 minute video. I just wanted to show, you know, what downtown looks like. You know, when there's a lot of snow. And it does look beautiful. As long as you're dressed up for it. but not a lot of people out. You can see it's actually really peaceful. Very cool. So like right over here, and that big building right there is Book Tower. That's another building that Detroit's renovated recently. They're beautiful on the inside. We'll go another block. You can actually kind of see me. Got my hat on. Get some glasses. But yeah, let me turn around here. That's where we came from down there. I actually do some photography. I wish I had my camera now. I wasn't expecting to be down here. You could get some nice shots. If you were down here with the camera, you'd be cold, but it would be worth it. At the end, beautiful restaurant over there and hotel. Bra shop. But yeah, just clothing, everything over here. And then obviously you got the big building over there. Then you can see kind of all the way down where all those lights are. That's the Christmas tree in downtown Detroit. Campus Marshes Park, they call it. I'm gonna come over here just to get a little bit warm. But yeah, that's a beautiful hotel right there. Shinola Hotel. And this is Woodward right here. I'm gonna keep the video at about 7 minutes. Let me know what you think of Detroit, especially when it's cold like this. And feel free to check out some of my other videos if you like Detroit and you want to see more. And let me know what you think in the comments below. But that's a nice place.